Have you ever wanted to speak English about your real life, but didn't know where to start? Hello, everyone. Today, you will speak about your full day in English, easily and naturally. Let's begin. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 o'clock a.m. The first thing I do is open my eyes and take a deep breath. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I tell myself it's a new day. Then I get out of bed and start my morning routine. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and slowly wake up. After that, I take a shower and get ready for the day. Next, I have something to eat and something to drink. It is usually a simple breakfast, maybe eggs, bread, and a cup of coffee or tea. I sit quietly and enjoy this peaceful moment before my day becomes busy. Now, listen carefully. This is important. After breakfast, I prepare myself for the day. I check my phone, look at my plans, and make sure everything is ready. Then I leave the house and go to work or school. I usually start my day around 8 o'clock a.m. During the day, I focus on my main tasks. In the morning, I often feel motivated and full of energy. Around noon, I take a short break and have lunch. I eat something simple and take a little rest. After lunch, I sometimes feel a bit tired, but I keep going. And in the middle of my day, I want to say something from my heart. I love you, my dear family. In the afternoon, I talk to people, finish my tasks, and complete what I need to do. Time moves slowly sometimes, but I stay focused. Later, I go back home. On my way, I think about my day, what I did well, and what I can improve tomorrow. In the evening, I spend some time doing something I enjoy. Maybe I watch a video, read something, or just relax. After that, I have dinner and take it easy. At night, I prefer something quiet and simple. No stress, just peace. Before I sleep, I think about my day and my plans for tomorrow. Then I go to bed, usually around 11 o'clock p.m., and I feel calm. Now it's your turn. Speak with me. I wake up at first I, then I. After that, I. During the day, I. In the evening, I. Before I sleep, I. This is your life. This is your story. And now you can say it in English. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need practice. You need confidence. And you build that step by step. I'll see you in the next lesson.